Agriculture Chief Francisco Tiu Laurel Jr. has the single most logical answer to stabilizing rice prices and offsetting the dire results of collusion between rice traders and retailers to overprice and price gouge rice stocks, bring back and restore the NFA's power and purpose in setting affordable rice prices, as our Melales Moras lays out in this report.
Kaya namin ibagsak yan. Kailangan, problema lang, Mr. Chair, we need the Congress's help to bring back the powers of NFA.
Agriculture Secretary Francisco Tiu Laurel Jr. has appealed to lawmakers to restore the power of the National Food Authority to buy and sell rice to stabilize supply and prices. During today's hearing of the House Quinta Committee, also known as the Murang Pagkain Super Committee, the Secretary elaborated the importance of NFA's role in rice trading, which was hindered under the Rice Tarification Law.
Sa ngayon, ang nangyayari sa amin ay para kaming lumalaban ng isang kamay namin ay nakatali sa likod. Kung may babalik sana ang kapangyarihan nito ng NFA at authority ng DA, with the authority ng DA Secretary, mas magiging epektibo ang DA sa pagsupil sa pang-aabuso ng mga rice traders at mas maiimpluwensyahan natin ang presyo ng bigas.
Secretary Laurel also emphasized that while they would like to penalize those allegedly behind overpricing, this does not fall under their authority. However, they remain steadfast in closely monitoring the movement of rice prices.
Ang tingin ko dapat ang presyo ng bigas ngayon is from 42 to 49 max na yun, o 48.50. I agree with Mr. Chair na bakit may 50 pa hanggang 60. Hindi na tama yun eh. Unfortunately, wala kaming powers to catch anybody sa merkado dahil wala kaming enforcement for that, Mr. Chair.
For now, as a response to the situation, the Department of Agriculture emphasized the various initiatives in place to provide the public with more affordable rice. They also aim to expand their Rice for All program in time for Advent and Christmas.
As of the moment, Mr. Chair, meron na tayong 48 stores na nagbebenta ng 40 peso rice. Ang target namin by mid-January, by end of this year, in the next few weeks, 170 na yung target natin. By mid-January, 300 outlets na ang target natin sa loob mismo ng palengke.
Melales Moras from the National TV Network for a New and Better Philippines.